You're in a meeting trying to listen, trying to contribute, and simultaneously trying to write down everything important. By the time the meeting ends, you have half a page of scribbled notes that you'll never look at again. Sound familiar? What if you never had to take manual notes again? In this video, I'm covering 5 AI tools that capture, transcribe, summarize, and organize your meetings, lectures, and ideas automatically. No more frantic typing. No more missed action items. No more wait, what did they say about that? Let's find the right one for you.
First up is Granola, and it solves a problem that almost every professional has. You're on Zoom or Google Meet or Teams and you need notes. Most AI note-takers solve this by sending a bot into your meeting, a visible third participant that everyone can see. Granola takes a different approach. It listens to your system audio directly on your Mac, so there's no bot in the meeting. Nobody even knows it's running. Here's how it works. You start Granola before your meeting. It transcribes everything in real time. When the meeting ends, its AI processes the transcript and generates clean, well-structured notes, summaries, action items, decisions made, topics discussed. Then it sends those notes wherever you want them: Notion, Linear, HubSpot, your email, your clipboard. You pick the destination. Granola handles the formatting. The free tier gives you 25 meeting notes per month, which is enough to test it on your weekly meetings. The Pro plan at $18 a month removes the limit and adds team features. It's Mac only right now, which is the main limitation, but if you're on Mac, this is one of the smoothest note-taking experiences available. No bots, no awkward "can everyone see my note taker" moments. Just clean notes delivered automatically.
Tool number 2 is Fireflies. AI, and this one is built for people who live in meetings. If you're a sales rep, a project manager, or anyone whose calendar looks like a game of Tetris, Fireflies is designed to be in every single call without you lifting a finger. Fireflies integrates with your calendar and automatically joins every meeting on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. It records, transcribes, and generates AI-powered summaries, but where Fireflies really shines is search. Every transcript is fully searchable, so you can go back and find exactly what someone said 3 weeks ago. You can search by keyword, by speaker, by topic. It also tracks talk time, sentiment, and question patterns, which is genuinely useful for sales teams reviewing their call performance. The collaboration features are strong. You can highlight key moments, leave comments on specific parts of the transcript, and share sound bites with your team. It integrates with Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Notion, Asana, and dozens of other tools. The free tier gives you 800 minutes of storage per month with limited AI summaries. The Pro plan at $19 a month unlocks unlimited transcription, full AI summaries, and all integrations. The main trade-off compared to Granola is that Fireflies joins your calls as a visible participant. Some people are fine with that, some aren't. But for team-wide meeting intelligence, Fireflies is hard to beat.
Number 3 is Mem.ai, and this one takes a fundamentally different approach to notes. Every other note app makes you decide where things go, which notebook, which folder, which tag. Mem says stop doing that. Just write. Mem will figure out where it belongs. The core idea is that AI handles organization automatically. You jot down a thought, paste a link, draft an email, whatever it is, you just throw it into Mem. Behind the scenes, the AI analyzes the content and connects it to related notes, tags it with relevant topics, and surfaces it when you need it later. No manual filing, no folder structures to maintain. It's like having a personal assistant for your brain. The search experience is where this really pays off. Instead of searching by keywords and hoping you use the right term, you can ask Mem questions in natural language. What did I note about the Q3 marketing budget? Or show me everything about that book recommendation from Sarah. Mem understands the semantic meaning of your notes and finds the right information even if you never used those exact words. The free tier gives you 1,000 notes with core AI features. The Pro plan at $15 a month unlocks unlimited notes, advanced AI features, and integrations. Mem is ideal for knowledge workers, researchers, and anyone who generates lots of scattered notes and never has time to organize them. The tagline is the world's first self-organizing workspace, and honestly, it delivers on that promise.
Tool number 4 is Reflect. And if you've ever used a personal knowledge management system like Roam Research or Obsidian but found them too complex, Reflect is the polished AI-powered version you've been waiting for. Reflect is built around bidirectional linking, the idea that every note can link to every other note, creating a web of connected knowledge rather than a pile of isolated documents. When you write about a meeting with your boss and mention a project, Reflect automatically links to your project notes. Over time, your notes build a personal knowledge graph that reveals connections you didn't know existed. What sets Reflect apart in 2026 is its integrated AI. You can highlight any text and ask the AI to expand on it, summarize it, find contradictions, or generate related ideas. You can use it to brainstorm, to draft, to refine, all without leaving your notes. The AI acts as a thinking partner, not just a transcription tool. Reflect also excels at daily notes. It opens to today's note automatically so you can start writing immediately. The interface is clean, fast, and distraction-free, and everything is end-to-end encrypted, which matters if you're storing sensitive work or personal information. It syncs across all devices. At $10 a month, it's one of the more affordable options on this list. And it replaces the need for a separate journal, a separate notes app, and a separate AI chatbot. If you're someone who thinks by writing and wants their notes to actually connect to each other instead of disappearing into a void, Reflect is exceptional.
Our final tool is Circleback, and it solves the problem that comes after the meeting, turning notes into action. Because let's be honest, how many times have you gotten great meeting notes and then done nothing with them? Circleback bridges that gap. Circleback joins your meetings, Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, and transcribes everything. But its standout feature is task automation. When the meeting ends, Circleback doesn't just give you a summary. It identifies every action item, every commitment, every follow-up, and then automatically creates tasks in your existing tools. Action items go to your task manager, Linear, ClickUp, Notion, Jira. Follow-up emails get drafted. Calendar invites for agreed-upon next meetings get generated. It turns "we should do that" into "here's the task," assigned to the right person in the right tool. The meeting summaries are clean and well-structured. Key decisions, discussion topics, action items with assignees, and relevant links shared during the call. You can share the summary with all attendees with one click, and it integrates with your CRM, so sales calls automatically log notes and next steps. The free tier gives you 5 hours of meetings per month. The business plan at $25 a month includes unlimited meetings, unlimited transcriptions, and all integrations. If your problem isn't taking notes, but actually acting on them, if your meetings generate tasks that fall through the cracks, Circleback is the tool that closes that loop. It's the bridge between great meeting and things actually get done.
So which one is right for you? If you're a Mac user who wants invisible bot-free meeting notes, go with Granola. If your whole team needs comprehensive meeting intelligence, Fireflies.ai is the pick. If you're tired of organizing notes and just want AI to handle it, Mem.ai is your answer. If you want a connected knowledge base that thinks with you, Reflect is exceptional. And if your problem is that meeting notes never turn into action, Circleback closes that loop. The best part, most of these have free tiers so you can test them before committing.
If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I review AI tools every week so you can work smarter, not harder. Which note-taking tool are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.